Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide Instagram status online. So if you want to hide your online Instagram status, then this is what you need to do. So if at the end of the day you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Locate and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Click on menu at the top right once you are on your Instagram profile page. Once you click on menu, this is going to open the settings and activity page of your Instagram. Now, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to how others can interact with you. Click on messages and story replies. Under messages and story replies, locate who can see you online and click on show activity status. Then locate show your activity status and then toggle this off. And then once you toggle off show your activity status, then this is going to hide your online status on Instagram. And then you are good. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.